And here we got the final output after end of this tutorial. Notice here I got the prompt with you. Now here I'm adding what is the capital of India. See here I got the capital of India is New Delhi. Now my name is Sharon. See here the bot replied, nice to meet you Charan, how can I assist you today? Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this AI tutorial series, I will show you how to create a customized chatbot with OpenAI Key. So let's start the tutorial. After I log in successfully into my OpenAI platform, notice that the API keys which is in the left side menu bar, there is an API key. Click that one. Once you click, you will get this window. Now let's create a new secret key. This key I'm using Chatbot. The name I'm giving Chatbot. After that, this is Chatbot. You can give any name and make sure owned by you because it's my personal I'm using for the video purpose, and permissions must be all. Don't select read only, restricted, select all. So we can read and we can write our chart. Let's create a secret key. Now here the most important step is save your key. Please save your secret key in a safe place since you won't be able to view it again. Once you click done, you can't see the API key. So let's copy this one and I'm pasting some notepad. In the notepad I'm pasting. Minimize that one, click done. That's it. Our API key is ready. With this OpenAI API key, I will create a chatbot using Python coding. So let's view to Visual Studio. Just for the time saving, I have already opened a Visual Studio. And in the folder, I'm creating two files for this project. New file. The file first I'm creating .env file. In the .env file, notice I have not given any file name, only the extension .env. In this extension, I'm adding my secret key. I will show you right now. First, we need to add OpenAI underscore API underscore key is equals to. We need to add our secret key, which I have already copied. I'm pasting here. This is our secret key. Let's save this file. Save. Now the second file is chatbot.py. You can give any file name, but the extension should be py because it's a Python file. Now the most important step before writing the coding part, we need to import two packages. The first one is I have already installed from OpenAI import. We need to import OpenAI. This package we need to install, and the second one is, and the second package is .env import load.env, and the last one import OS. After that, load. We need to load our env, which is a function here. Override is equals to, this override is a boolean property, so make it true. Then client, declare variable called client OpenAI. Here our client is equals to OpenAI is a function. API underscore key is equals to os dot get env. Get env is a string parameter. Notice here the string parameter. So we need to add the double quotes. Switch over to our env. This part we need to add, which is our key name. Then conv is equals to, declare variable conv between square brackets, curly braces, The first one I'm adding role, and the role I'm adding system content colon. You are a helpful assistant. You're a helpful assistant. Then the simple while function I'm adding here, while message is equals message colon is equals to input. I'm adding you. Let me finish this while function. I will explain. You dot script function not in between square brackets. I'm adding, sorry, I have entered the wrong key press, exit or quit. Now I will explain this while function. When a user executes this program, it will prompt first with the u text because the user will enter anything. Apart from these two words, if the user enter exit or quit, the program will be terminate. Then con dot append method between curly brackets role user content message, then reply. So once we enter our message, it will reply, the bot will reply client dot chat dot compulsions dot create. It will create model. The create function takes the model. Notice here the model here. Model I am adding between double quotes. I am adding GPT 4.0 dot mini comma messages is equals to conf. The messages we are getting from this append message conf dot choices 0 dot message dot content con dot append method between curly brackets. I am adding role I pressed the wrong key again. Role assistant comma content colon reply. That's it. Now we need to print that message. Print bot. What message we need to print? This reply message. That's it. Let's save these files. Save all. Go to view. Click terminal. Now let's execute the program. Python chatbot.py. Enter. Yeah, does not exist many. Oops, what went wrong here? Message do not exist, or you don't have. This one is not dots. This one is hyphens. Sorry for that. Let's save this file again. Save all. Let's clear this terminal. Python chatbot.py. Enter. Notice here I got the prompt with you. Now here I'm adding what is the capital of India. See here I got the capital of India is New Delhi. Now my name is Sharon. See here the bot replied, nice to meet you Sharon, how can I assist you today? So again I'm asking, what is my name? And bot replied, your name is Sharon, how can I help you further? If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.